This video is to help you to pronounce the sounds of the final consonants and to practice stressing the correct words. There will be 30 nonsense sentences organized by the type of final consonant sound they make. The first one is called the plositives. They are the pop sounds. The P, T, K, B, D, and G. P comes from our lips. B comes from our lips. T, K, and D comes from the tongue touching the top of the mouth. G comes from the throat, but they explode out of our mouth and air, they're called aspirated. The air comes out of our mouth. So you should be able to hold a piece of paper in front of you and it should move. Pa, ta. Piece of paper is not big enough. Pa, ta, ka, ba. The paper moves a little bit because a little air is coming out of your mouth. Okay, so these require a direct release of air at the end of the word. So these are final consonant. The last consonant in the word is very important to make a clear sound. And so we will do 15 of these. Say these after me. The chef will chop the herb. The chef will chop the herb. Sometimes we say herb, some people say herb. Number 2, please keep the cup. Please keep the cup. Watch my lips. I need to stop at the shop. Stop at the shop. Need. Stop. Shop. The cat sat on the mat. Cat sat mat. Number 5, put the hat in the net. Put hat in net. Number 6, that bright light is hot. That bright light is hot. Every one has a final consonant that we must pronounce. Number 7, look at the pink book. Look at the pink book. Number 8, we should walk to the park. We should walk to the park. Number 9, the duck is in the lake. The duck is in the lake. All of the final consonants, we must make the sound. Number 10, he found a red bead. Found, red bead. Number 11, my dad is glad. My dad is glad. Number 12, the good food is cold. Good food is cold. LD, cold. Number 13, she has a big bag. She has a big bag. We don't say she has a big bag. We don't make a strong sound. It just barely touches the top of our mouth to make the sound. But if your tongue does not touch the top of your mouth, if your lips do not close and open again, makes a difference. You can tell it's not clear. Number 14, do not drag the dog. Do not drag the dog. Number 15, the frog sits on the log. Frog, not frogga, but frog, sits on the log. Okay, listen to these again and again, practice them.